The TAC Trainer's plate rack is a quarter-scale version of its live-fire counterpart. Shooting this plate rack at 10 feet or 3 meters will look and feel like shooting the live-fire plate rack at 14 yards or 12.8 meters. The compact design of this plate rack is just the right size to challenge your shooting skills without crowding your available space. It's fast and easy to mount to your shelf or stand with just 4 screws. This plate rack looks and works just like the ones you shoot at a match. And one pull of a cord resets all the plates. Shooting the TAC Trainer's plate rack exercises many of the skills you need to be a better shooter. Since it resets with one pull of a cord, you can make every minute of practice count. The TAC Trainer's plate rack is awesome to shoot by itself, but it's more fun and better practice when you combine it with lots of other TAC Trainer's targets.